Hello everyone, 10BestOnes here with another video, and today we are going to be checking out the top 5 best waffle makers in 2017. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I tried to list them based on their price, durability, quality and many more things. If you want to find out the price and more information about these waffle makers, you can check out the links down in the description and the comment section below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5 we have the Oster Waffle Maker. If you want to show your skills in making waffles, which will be done instantly and taste really good, then you're looking for this waffle maker. From a design perspective, this model is designed with an innovative and unique duraceramic material which features non-stick coating that lasts 4 times longer than the standard non-stick coatings on the market. Moreover, it is scratch resistant and it is very easy to clean, which means that you won't lose much time cleaning it, but you will have more time to make your favorite waffles. This waffle maker has a polished chrome housing, looks elegant and it is compact enough to put it anywhere in your kitchen. It performs really well, your waffles will be perfect and they will taste really good. Another good thing about this waffle maker is that it is energy efficient, and because of the duraceramic finish, it will cook up to 20% faster. You can even adjust the temperature for making light or dark and crispy waffles, which will have a Belgian looking style. If you love eating waffles but don't know how to make them, you shouldn't worry much, because there is an included waffle recipe for creating 6 to 8 waffles, but you can also customize the recipe to suit your preferred amount. In addition, you can make 7-inch round waffles which are easily divided into 4 parts. The plates are not removable, but they are long-lasting enough for preparing waffles that would look and taste amazing. Fill your waffles with your favorite creams, jams or fruits and enjoy the pleasure of eating them. When they are done, this waffle maker will light green and will notify you that you are ready to take them off. To conclude, this is a wonderful waffle maker which is manufactured with extremely durable material. It is eco-friendly and comes at an affordable price. Start creating delicious waffles with this device and share the waffles with your loved ones so they could also taste the masterpieces produced by this waffle maker. It definitely has everything a waffle maker needs and it's one of the best in the market, so I definitely recommend it to everyone. Next up, at number 4 we have the Cuisinart WAF-F20. The Cuisinart WAF-F20 is one of the best waffle makers in the market, and it is capable of delivering well done waffles that will taste really good. From a design perspective, it has a stainless steel color, LED lights and auto beep tones which indicate when the waffle maker is ready to cook and when your waffles are ready. It also features a non-stick coating which makes it easy for cleaning, taking your waffles off without any effort, and you won't deal with any mess. Moreover, there is an easy-to-handle rotary which flips each waffle for up to 180 degrees for ensuring that your waffles will be cooked properly on the top and the bottom. But that's not all, your waffles will be made very fast because this waffle maker has 1400 watts of power and also because of the double grid design. Now let's talk about the performance. With this waffle maker, you can bake 2 Belgian waffles at a time, and there is a 6-setting browning control knob that is going to ensure that each waffle will be perfectly cooked. You can also control the temperature of this device based on your preferences. If you are a fan of darker and crispier waffles, turn it higher. If you want your waffles to have a golden look, then adjust the temperature and you will get them exactly as you want them. This means that this machine doesn't have one preset temperature like most of the waffle makers on the market, which makes it unique and a great option. The WAF-F20 guarantees you the thickest high-quality Belgian waffles, so fill them with your desired supplements and enhance the taste even further. Everyone around you will be amazed at how nicely they are made and will enjoy your waffles very much. To conclude, this waffle maker will help you make the best waffles that you have ever done before. It comes at an affordable price, looks great, it is durable and it is easy to clean, so I think that this should make you more than convinced to consider it and have it in your kitchen, because this is a great gift that will serve you for years. Moving on, at number 3 we have the Presto 03510. This is a flip-side waffle maker made by Presto, which looks as amazing as it bakes waffles. It is also very durable, so you can use it for years without any problem. From a design perspective, it features a professional style design with a brushed metal exterior, making it stand out on any surface while it is compact enough to be placed anywhere in your kitchen. There are streamlined controls and indicator lights which are placed strategically on the side of the unit, so you will know when it is turned on and ready to make wonderful waffles. Moreover, the dual-function base will rotate for baking waffles and locks in space-efficient vertical position for storing and baking your waffles. But that's not all. It also features a ceramic non-stick interior which can be cleaned with ease and you won't deal with any mess. But now, let's talk about the performance. This waffle maker is able to flip 180 degrees in order to evenly spread the batter for waffles, and they will look great from the top to the bottom. With an extra thick grid, you will bake waffles with a 7-inch diameter accompanied by 4 easy-to-cut sections. You will also be given a separation option for slicing round-shaped waffles into 4 nice large pieces. In addition, since it comes with a temperature control knob, you can adjust this waffle maker to make waffles based on your preferences. Whether you like golden waffles or darker, they will be crispy and delicious. All it takes is just to wait around 4 minutes, since this model has 1100 watts of power, and then you can enjoy the waffles made for yourself or for your loved ones. In conclusion, the Presto's flip-side waffle maker is amazing in producing beautifully shaped and tasty waffles that have the typical Belgian style. Moreover, it is very affordable, durable and versatile, so it can sit anywhere in your kitchen. Even kids can use it because it is very easy to use and also safe enough not to burn you. You should definitely consider this waffle maker because it will make your waffles look like they were done by a professional. Next up, at number 2 we have the Hamilton Beach 26030. One of the best things about your lazy weekend mornings or chilling nights is preparing delicious waffles without waiting much. Well, this waffle maker produced by Hamilton is an ideal asset for your kitchen and will serve you pretty good in accomplishing your most favorite types of waffles. From a design perspective, it features a stainless steel exterior which looks great. It is durable and is compact enough to be placed anywhere in your kitchen. Moreover, it has a preheat light which means that you will always be notified whether it is turned on or off. The deep groove waffle grid design is powerful enough to handle any type of batter you want to pour and allow you to evenly cook your waffles to the top and bottom by using the browning control. The waffle grids are also removable, dishwasher safe and can be cleaned with just a few wipes. But now let's talk about the performance of this waffle maker. There are 12 different ways for making your waffles because this is a very flexible waffle maker which will let you effortlessly bake and flip your waffles until you get the perfect look. As I stated before, this waffle maker is very fast in baking your desired waffles at around 5 minutes depending on the settings and the recipe. It is also very easy to handle, to store, and you can touch it and it will not burn you at all. When it is done baking, it will light green so you can take and enjoy your perfectly shaped waffles which would have a typical Belgian style. This waffle maker also features an advanced heating technology, which means that if you set the temperature higher, you will get a darker and crispier waffle, while if you like them to have a golden look, you can set the temperature lower and get them without waiting much. To conclude, this waffle maker will help you create incredibly good waffles which can be filled with your favorite supplements, so you, your family and friends can enjoy the perfectly made waffles and enjoy their mouth-watering taste. Moreover, the Hamilton Beach Flip Waffle Maker is very affordable, durable and can be cleaned very fast, and that makes it one of the best waffle makers on the market. To finish off our list, at number 1 we have the All-Clad 99012 GT. All-Clad has been in the market for over 4 decades, so from the very beginning you already know that this waffle maker will perform outstandingly. From a design perspective, this waffle maker features a highly polished steel body, fastened stainless steel handles with a lock over the lid. Moreover, it also has a non-stick interior for removing your waffles, and after you are done, you can clean it with ease. But that's not all. It also releases alert sounds while cooking, and because of its compact size, you can even store it vertically for saving as much space as possible in your kitchen. The most important thing about waffle makers is how do they perform, so let's start talking about the performance. This waffle maker has 4 easy cut parts and traditional pockets for holding your poured supplements, allowing you to make really tasty waffles. In addition, if you want to bake golden or dark and crispy waffles, you can take an advantage of the heating technology, which will ensure that your waffles will be evenly baked on the top and bottom. Another great feature that will help you do this is the steam release system, which will prevent the condensation built up during your cooking, so you can enjoy your amazingly done waffles. You will be able to make a round shaped waffle that will be 6.5 inches in diameter and 0.5 inches in thickness because of the easy 4 cut sections. Controls are very easy to use, so you can cook your waffles in 7 different degrees, which will ensure that your waffles will look exactly as you want. The LED indicator will light when you turn this waffle maker on and will release sound when your waffles are done. Furthermore, you will not wait much until the waffles are cooked because this waffle maker has 850 watts of power, which is high enough to bake them very fast. To conclude, this waffle maker is incredibly durable, affordable and strong in delivering your most liked waffle forms which will look like they were made by a professional cooker. It is worth the money, so surprise your friends and family in the evenings by baking them waffles filled with Nutella, fruits or maple syrup and enjoy the tastiness of the waffles. You should definitely check this waffle maker out and gift your kitchen with this beautiful device and enjoy the delicious waffles made by it. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If you want to find out the price and more information about these products, you can check out the links down in the description and the comment section below. And if you have any questions related to these waffle makers, leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you again for watching and I'll see you in the next video.